Hey guys, I'm about to do a color. These right here, they're basically pastel pink right now. My red bleeds so much that, yeah, these were white and now they're pink, and that's just not a part of the color scheme. So I'm gonna go in and add a color. Now, one of my YouTube sisters on here, I'm not gonna steal her thunder, but she just did a color and it looks so good, okay? So after I saw her color, I was like, oh, I wanna do something. And I've been meaning to touch up these anyway, so it came at the right time. I'm gonna show you guys the colors. I want you to comment down below which color you think I'm gonna go with. Don't cheat to the end of the video. Stop right now, comment down below. I have Purple Rain, and then I have Phantom Green. Either or goes along with my Autumn Day. For those of you who have watched my previous videos, you know that that is the color scheme that I'm going for my hair, and it's taken some time, but I'm doing so gradually. This brand is a vegan, semi-permanent color, no damage, no chemical. The damage has basically already been done, honestly, because this was already lifted, so I'm just adding a color on top of it. So previously, my video on coloring your hair without damage, this is the way to go. I have all my stuff ready: gloves, oil. So I'm gonna put my hair up. Bam. Leave these pieces down. I'm not gonna wash my entire head for just 2 locks. Like, that's not happening. So I'm gonna apply the color and then rinse them out separately. Like, that's another thing about locks. Coloring has become so easy and so much fun because the hair is basically already sectioned. You just pull what you need and color as you go. So these two, terrible, terrible looking. I do not want pink. So I know with either color that I decide to go with, they kind of fade ugly. Like purple ends up fading to pink and green ends up fading to like vomit. So eventually I'm gonna go back in and make these something else when they fade out. But I think right now, I'm just gonna play with it and see what happens. So let me put on the gloves. I usually have a specific dyeing shirt, but I'm hopeful that I won't be too messy with the color because it's only 2, but we'll see. See you soon. So I'm just showing you guys my application process. Once I get my gloves on, I do take a dollop of the color in my fingers and then begin to smooth it into the hair. At certain points, I actually begin to kind of squeeze the color into my hair, but I just make sure I coat the strand from root to tip. I do knot one side and then go to the next side, and I only knot that just so that it won't be hanging and won't get on my clothes, but I just make a very loose knot, and then I just move on to the other side and basically wrap the hair in foil to keep it off of my clothes and off of my skin while I do a couple errands and prepare to do the washout. Okay, here's the rinse out process. You want to definitely make sure that your water is between warm to cool, definitely more on the cooler side. And you just want to go under, first of all, with the water and just let that color, or rather let that water rinse over your color. And once you see that the water has changed to a lighter shade of whatever color you decided to go with, that's when you're going to go in with a sulfate-free shampoo and begin to shampoo your lock or your group of locks, or if you're doing highlights, the section of locks, whatever have you. I believe I did 2 shampoos for these locks, and then just made sure that I rinsed really, really well under the water. Rinsed under the water at a cool temperature, and then I just towel dried those 2 little locks and went about my business. So congratulations to those who guessed green. It's subtle. It's not super crazy. But yeah, it's just like a peekaboo color, you know? So it's giving Feliz Navidad, the first Noel, Frosty the Snowman. I mean, do I need to go on? Because it's such a, yeah, it's like a peekaboo thing. So looking back on this footage is so hilarious to me because I'm trying to like it, but I really don't. I like the color by itself. I don't like it with the combination that I have going on, and I think I'm trying to convince myself. And I'm like, no ma'am. That's it, guys. That's how you do semi-permanent color. No damage, easy breezy. Did this while my kids were sleeping and kept the color in for about 45 minutes. So yeah, you guys saw my washout process, but I'm hoping to wash my hair for real tomorrow, and then retwist just maybe the first 2 rows, because this weekend we are going out of town. So yeah, so that's it. I like it. I'm glad I did this instead of the purple. But this is gonna fade, so eventually at some point I'll try the purple, but green is good. All right, thanks for watching, bye. I like the green so much that I removed my red color. Yep, stay tuned.
I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. I don't understand.